guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a really easy and simple DIY, the chilling adventures of Sabrina costumes, aka Sabrina the Teenage Witch, the like new revamp one. Yeah, so I did Sabrina, the Weird Girls, I'm pretty sure that's their actual name, and Salem the Cat. So if you want to watch that, keep watching. Also, this video is going to be a collab with the following people.
Check the description box below for their links.
Make sure to check out all their channels, they will be linked down below, and I can get into the video now.
So for the Sabrina the Teenage Witch costume, all you need is a red jacket and a black headband, and then you can pretty much wear whatever. I wore a red dress under it. So for the Weird Girl costume, you will need some hair ties because they all wear their hair in braids, and you will need a black dress. Then for the little white collar thing, I made mine with lace. I basically took some lace and tried to glue it together into the shape of the collar, and that's what I wore for the collar. So for the Salem the Cat costume, all you need is some cat ears and black clothing, and you are set.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you like the chilling adventures of Sabrina better or Sabrina the Teenage Witch better. I like the Teenage Witch one because the cat talks. But yeah, my goal of the year is to hit 20,000 subscribers. I know we're really far away from that, but subscribe anyways. And that's all I have to say, so goodbye! Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing a really easy, simple DIY. Make sure to check their out. My goal of the year is hit 20,000 subscribers. I know we're like a really long way. I know. And goodbye.